Amakuru. Today we are back with our 100 list of verbs. But remember, each time we put 10 verbs, and today we are going to add to the 20 verbs that we already saw last time. We are going to add 10 verbs. It makes 30 verbs out of 100 verbs. The first one is to close. Gufunga. Remember, you're going to repeat every time after I say one word so that you can practice pronunciation. Gufunga. To prepare or plan. Gutegura. Gutegura. To pay. Kwishura. Kwishura. To play. Gukina. Gukina. To put. Gushira. Gushira. To read. Gusoma. Gusoma. To reply or answer. Gusubiza. Gusubiza. To run. Kwiruka. Kwiruka. To speak, talk, say. All the three verbs, we have one verb in Kinyarwanda, which is kuvuga. Kuvuga. To look or watch. Kureba. Kureba. Those are the 10 verbs that I had to give you today. I hope you are practicing every day. And the aim, you remember, is to be able to have a very good conversation in Kinyarwanda. Thank you very much. Murakoze cyane. Stay tuned. Murabeho.